pretty bird. You're a pretty bird. Hi. Yeah. We're so pretty. Are you a pretty bird?
It's a pretty bird.
What is that? Oh, you're
He's
a pretty bird.
The pretty bird likes the camera.
Hi, pretty bird. Yes. Look at you being so pretty.
You're so pretty.
Hi. You're gonna get so much attention.
Hi.
What do you think? Oh, are we shy? Yeah. Are we shy? We just a little bashful? Huh? What do you think?
Pretty bird.
You're such a pretty bird, yes!
That's an excited little bird.
Are we excited? Hi! Hi, pretty bird. I know, yeah! Yeah, we don't have to be fierce.
You're a cute little bird, though.
Yeah.
You're a little bobby bird. You bobbing? Yeah? You bobbing?
Yeah. You're adorable. You get new toys? You get your toys? Oh, you bite it. Oh, we're just mad? Oh, we're so mad? Oh my goodness. Oh. What are we doing? You gotta sharpen that biter. Yeah. Hi. What are we doing? What? Hi. It's like, I was to bite you. You wanna bite me? Yeah.
Just want some grub.
Hi. Oh, you guys are adorable.
You are. Look at that little pair.
Oh, look adorable. Oh, you gonna clean each other? Yeah, are we
Still love
friends?
the way they eat.
Are we friends? Yeah? You're so excited. So, what are you doing? What? Want some snacks? We're so pretty. Look how pretty. No touchy.
No touchy.
No touchy yet. Okay, that's a no touchy yet. Okay. It's okay. We have time. You're gonna live like 30 years. I have all the time. Yeah. Oh, they're praying at each other.
It's cute. Oh.
Yeah. You're hilarious.
So cute.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
What are you doing? So much tension. Oh, that's adorable. That's a nice bird. That's a nice bird. Who's a pretty bird? Hmm? Hi. He's like, give me your feathers. I would like your feathers. That's so neat.
It is neat how they do that.
I feel like
Wow.
the other one needs a sweater. Yeah.
You saying yes to a sweater?
He needs a sweater.
Except it's like 30 degrees in here. Oh, it is. Don't give me that look. Don't sideways look me. I think this one's a little crazy.
Yeah. Hi. Look at their beautiful feathers.
Their color's so beautiful. That was no. Just gonna. Whoa.
Okay.
Brother said no.
Brother, which is the friendlier one,
Yeah.
is this one.
You think this one's the friendlier
This
one?
one is the one that she said is the friendlier one.
Yeah, but he's more bitey right now.
Yeah, he's upset.
Yeah.
It's too much change.
Hi, guys.
Too much change. That's okay.
We got lots of time. We're just saying hi. Hi, everybody. Okay, goodbye.